Hello everyone. Do you want to speak English fluently with confidence? Many people feel nervous or hesitate while speaking English. But don't worry, today I'll share some simple and practical ways that will help you improve your confidence and fluency in English. So let's get started. The first one is speak daily, even if you make mistakes. Biggest mistake is not speaking. Many learners wait for the perfect time or perfect grammar before they start speaking, but this is very wrong. Fluency comes with practice, just like riding a bicycle. The way you have learned driving a car, similarly, you will learn English also. The more you practice speaking, the more natural it becomes. Start small, means talk simple sentences first. Use your routine sentences. Example, I wake up at 7 o'clock, I brush my teeth, I take my breakfast, I go to work. Speak with yourself. Stand in front of the mirror, or without mirror also you can start speaking in English. Second is think in English. Stop translating from Hindi to English. Why? Because translation takes time and breaks fluency. For example, if you think in English कि मुझे पानी चाहिए, so you will think about मुझे means I, चाहिए means want water. So I want water. This takes time. But if you relate this कि want means चाहिए, कोई भी चीज़, मुझे chair चाहिए, मुझे pen चाहिए, मुझे bag चाहिए, मुझे help चाहिए. So I want help, I want pen, I want this, I want break, मुझे शांति चाहिए, I want. So this is how when you relate, when you make it a part of your day-to-day life, then you easily get fluency. So start with small words like pen, chair, book, then move to small sentences. This is my book, that is my bike, that is my phone, this is your class. So finally think in full conversation. Then third is learn and use common phrases also. Simple common phrases like what's going on. What's going on means what is going on. That sounds great. That's a good idea. I really appreciate it means thank you. So hang out means to roam around. I love to hang out with my friends. Run out of means when you like finishing something. So I ran out of money यानी कि मेरे पास पैसे खत्म हो गए. तो run out of मतलब कोई भी चीज़ खत्म हो जाने के सेंस पे हम यूज़ करते हैं. Third is read and listen as much as you can. You can read whatever you like. It could be a comic book, it could be a novel, newspaper, any English literature. Reading helps you to learn English sentences. Start with simple English story books. You can even read first grade, second grade, third grade books also, English books also, or any blogs. Listening improves your pronunciation also. So listen also. English songs, podcast, movies and TV shows, and use subtitles in the beginning, and later on you can remove them. Practice speaking with someone. Speaking alone is good, but speaking with a partner is even better. Find a speaking partner, a friend or a family member, or you who knows English, or you can join English speaking groups on Telegram, WhatsApp, or on Facebook. Use voice messages in English instead of texting. This is another best way. See, some of my friends, they use a wonderful way to improve their fluency and confidence. They talk to the customer care executives. The best and the most, the biggest advantage of talking to the customer care executive is that they cannot see you and they do not know you. So even if you make mistakes and even if you speak wrong sentences, they will always respond and reply in a very humble and polite way. So that is the best way to improve your fluency. You can also try it out. Record yourself and correct your mistakes. Whenever you are speaking, like I asked you to speak about anything around you. You can speak about any objects, you can speak about any people, any places, anything, whatever is there around you. You just start speaking about it, and if possible, record yourself and then later on correct your mistakes. This recording yourself and correcting your mistakes help you to realize your mistakes and helps you to gain the fluency and confidence also. So record yourself speaking about your day-to-day life. Listen to your recording and check pronunciation and grammar. Try again and improve your mistakes. Repeat it. Repeat the exercise again, and this method improves clarity, pronunciation and confidence. These three things. Fine. Be confident and don't fear mistakes. Always be confident. देखिए सबसे important चीज़ The key to success is confidence. So be confident, don't fear mistakes. Mistakes are good. The more you make mistakes, the more you are learning. This is as simple as that. Even native speaker makes grammatical mistakes. So fluency is about communication, not perfection. Another great sentence. एक और बहुत अच्छा सेंटेंस मैंने बोल दिया कि fluency is about communication, not perfection. So do not hesitate speaking in English and do not hesitate making mistakes. The more you make mistake, the more you are learning. So speak slowly and clearly. That is the best way. So don't try to run. Don't try to rush up. Don't try to be so fast. Speak slowly but clearly. That is the most important. Don't worry about accent or grammar. Focus on expressing your ideas, expressing your thoughts, expressing your feelings. The more you speak, the more confident you become. Believe in yourself. See, always speak simple English. Do not try to speak very fancy or very flowery kind of English. Always try to speak simple English so that you are able to make the sentences and the others are also able to understand your English. So friends, start using these tips today. Which tip did you like the most? Tell me in the comments box, and for such more tips, subscribe and follow English Lingua.